Hi there. I wanted to invite you to join my upcoming Alexander Technique class, which promises to be a game changer for on-camera actors like you. Now, this class has been specially designed with you in mind to unlock your full potential, mind and body. In auditions, every detail matters. The way that you stand, the way that you move, the energy that you bring into the room with you. And the Alexander Technique is that secret weapon that can help make all of those details work in your favor. It's not about forcing a rigid posture. It's about finding a natural alignment that allows you to command a room effortlessly. Imagine walking into an audition with presence that turns heads, that communicates, I am relaxed, I am confident, and I'm in control. In auditions, every detail matters. The way that you stand, the way that you move, the energy that you bring into the room with you. And the Alexander Technique is that secret weapon that can help make all of those details work in your favor. But it's not just about auditions. It's about you being able to create life for your character on and off screen. It's about being able to be present in all of your movements, being able to be connected to your mind and your body, and to being able to convey authenticity through all of your movements. I've created this workshop to fast track you towards discovering your full potential. We're going to explore subtle adjustments, dynamic movements, and relaxation techniques that are all going to become a part of your toolkit for success. And the best part, my friend, well, it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. This is about discovering what works specifically for your unique self. It's about tapping into your own individual brilliance so that we can bring out the best in you. So if you are ready to step into auditions, bringing your most confident, authentic self, moving gracefully, easily, then well, this class is for you. Make sure to check out the details below. You can register, or if you have any other questions, you can reach out. All right, I hope to see you then.